tip and trick is how to build your wall quick and efficient. When starting a new game, each player builds a wall in front of their rack, 19 across and 2 high, giving a total of 38 for each rack. Most of the time I see people counting and recounting their tiles because they become distracted by others or they miscounted. Here's a quick and efficient way to build your wall. Using both hands, grab 4 tiles at a time, 1 tile with each finger, and pull them back. You have 8 tiles. Now do this one more time. You have another 8. And you do one final time of just 3 tiles to have a total of 19 across. Now you can just build the second layer using both hands again, and you can complete it with 38 tiles. This shows there's no counting needed, just put on a second row. Give this quick and efficient trick a try at your next MahJongg game. Like and subscribe to see more tips and tricks for MahJongg. Thank you. You can take lessons from me at Mah Jongg Class, or check me out on Facebook or my webpage, Mah Jongg Class. If you like this video, subscribe for more.